Hi everyone. In this video presentation, I would like to explain about the Harami Bearish candlestick formation and its price action behavior. It is one of the important candlestick pattern. Before entering into this video presentation, I request everyone go through the disclaimer once. This content is designed simply for informational and educational purpose and not recommendations or tips offered to any other person with respect to the purchase or sale of the stock, future and option. Before taking any trade, please consult your financial advisor. All investors are advised to conduct their own independent research into the individual stock before making purchase or selling decision. We don't accept any liability, profit or loss occurring from use of any content from this video. All index stocks analysis recommendations or comments are the opinion of the writer or the video maker. Now let us enter into the discussion of bearish Harami candlestick pattern. For this candlestick pattern, we require two candlesticks. For that, I have the recent two closing price of Bosch. The last two candlesticks formation looks like a bearish Harami. It is one of the major candlestick pattern display the common sense in the graphical elements that creates the bearish information for the clear insight into the investor sentiment at a reversal. On 31st August, the price was around the 22,391. From there, the price has touched the low of 17,585. From there, currently the price is trading around the 19,517. Coming to the description of the bearish Harami is an exact opposite of the bullish Harami, and its present indicates that the trend is over. It is composed of the two candle formation with the body of the first candle the same color as the current trend. The first body of the pattern is a long body and the second body is the smaller body. The open and the close occur inside the open and close of the previous day. The criteria for formation of the bearish Harami, the body of the first candle is blue and the body of the second candle is red, and the direction should be the uptrend. If you observe over here, it is an uptrend. It's a little bit uptrend, not exactly the complete uptrend, and this price trying to move, and it's formed on the 1940 to the 19400 to the 19500 kind of the levels. It has formed the multiple times. We may call it as a support or the resistance. Price tries to move. If it moves the further above from this, taking as a support, if it moves around the 19,988, it is having the resistance level. Previous also you can observe the price bounce be in the reverse direction it moves. So anticipating further, the price may moves according to trend direction. The pattern psychology after the strong uptrend has been in effect after a long blue candlestick day. The base opened the price lower than the previous close. The longs get concerned and begin profit taking as the price finishes the price for the day lower for the day. The bulls are now concerned as the price closes lower, and it has now become the evident that the trend has been violated. A weak day following convinced everyone that the trend was reversing. Volume increases as a result of profit taking and the addition of the short sales. Harami signals to provide an opportunity to maximize returns, and they have excellent capabilities of indicating how strong the new trend to the upside will be. If all the funds investors and currently fully use the Harami may reveal that one of the position has stalled for a few days, and the aggressive traders may opt to move those funds to better trade and the return in a few days reinvest when the position is moving. So if it moves below, keep a stop loss around here, kind of this levels 1950 around the 19500 kind of the levels, put the stop loss, and above if it moves consider a bearish. Below this, if it moves below, the next support would be around the 18,718. Moving on to the next side is the Titan. If you observe over here, the Titan has closing price around the 959, and it has given a decent up move considering it is facing the resistance, and the next resistance lies around the target around 1000, around the 50 rupees may up over here 0.5% we may expect. Now moving on to the next is the Aurobindo Pharma is a perfect example for the bearish Harami. It is a perfect example. From here the price has moved, and around the closing price is the 769. So above this kind of, if you short considering this as a 798 has an 798 as a stop loss, so below its moves, and next the support would be lies around the 720 kind of the levels. So this is about the bearish Harami candlesticks pattern. So the next is another perfect example is the Davis Labs is from the pharma sector. Around the 15.05 it is facing the resistance, previous also having around 15, it started in the reverse direction. From there it's taken a support around the 1450 kind of the levels, moved to the 1500 levels. It's a price almost moving in the range of the 1400 to the 1500 kind of the levels. Thank you guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good and safe trading ahead.